Hello, you're probably looking at the title of this video and thinking, wow, she's really bored. Yeah, but also, since the weather's been lovely, and you know what, I don't really miss much, to be honest, when it comes to the places being closed. I don't drink, so I don't really miss pubs apart from going to open mics. I don't eat fast food because home cooked meals are so much better. But one thing I used to always do is coffee places. I loved my Starbucks, my Costas, everything. I love the independent cafes the most. I'd probably say Starbucks is my least favourite, but still drinkable, still love it. Also with Starbucks, I don't get the loyalty card system. Just have like a point system each time you buy something. Why do I have to put money on my card? Anyway, enough of that Starbucks ranting. And in this weather, I would really have gone down to my local, whatever cafe was nearby, and got an iced coffee, but we can't do that. And I don't have an espresso machine, because if I had an espresso machine, it wouldn't be a problem. I mean, making coffee for me is not a problem because I've worked in cafes for about 6 years. In fact, my single artwork, Selfish Personality, download on Spotify and Apple Music, is made by me. That coffee was made by me. Now, it's not impressive because anyone who stays in a cafe or works in a cafe for a long time can end up doing a flat white. It's not hard. I'm going to attempt to try and make an iced coffee without an espresso machine. Fanciest coffee I've got is filtered coffee, and honestly I'm really missing proper coffee so bad. So I'm going to see what I can do. What I'm going to try and make is one sort of cold brew, so basically like a black iced coffee. The second one I'm trying to make is like an ice latte, your standard ice latte, like a milk based one and a like just Americano based one. Let's see, let's try. This is an experiment, this could go terribly wrong. Let's see, shall we? Does it work out? I'm interested. I don't know yet. So basically I just filled up like a normal filtered coffee. It was with the best brand. It's like an Italian brand, so it's a quality filtered coffee, but it's still not the same as an espresso machine. I did about 1 scoop, 1 heaped teaspoon here. I usually have like a non-heaped for if I was having regular filtered coffee. But yeah, this is sort of slightly stronger, so I'm adding ice to it as well. The next thing I do, my dad had a massive go at me, do not add a boiling hot coffee into the fridge because it's boiling hot and it can make everything else go off. So yes, that's not a thumbs up, Mel. Hi guys, and welcome to this science experiment. We've got the ice brew here. I will be making another one for the latte because I'm trying to emulate espresso machines. So the second one I'm going to have to do really quick before this ice melts, is going to do one with 2 scoops of coffee. Don't know how well that's going to work. But with the cold brew, sorry, this might ruin the taste a little bit of trying it, but I can't have unsweetened coffee. Hazelnut syrup is the best one. So I'm bending down a little bit. This works. Really does look like Coca-Cola. Ooh, Dad's gonna kill me. It's not bad, really not bad. It just needs to be a little bit stronger on the coffee taste. It worked. Yes, it's not bad. It's not like the Costa cold brew we used to have, but it will do. I'm gonna fill this up with a stronger coffee. Let's just fill this up with milk. Yes, I don't want to have the poops, so I'm doing soya milk. Be kind to the bowels. Okay, that is really strong. Still hot, but it's mainly going in cold milk and ice. So okay, I really want this to work because if I can have iced coffee at home, that's just brilliant. Oh my god, there's so much filtered coffee in here, it's not going to. Calm down, calm down. Oh. Sorry, there's no way I wanted to make any more of a mess of this table mat than I've already done. I'm already in trouble, I think. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Much. We'll try that to start off with. Obviously everyone's got their own preference. That was my dad. Need to make sure you mix it beforehand. Sorry. I think it does work. It's really hard to get the balance of flavour. It's really hard because this is hot as well. I think it is actually after this was filmed, I managed to get the iced latte literally just right, with like the coolness and the coldness and the sweetness and the strength of the coffee. And honestly, it is actually really tasty. I just would recommend putting the coffee brew that we brewed before into the fridge before adding it boiling hot. And also with the cold brew, just slightly stronger. And that's all to summarise, really. Success. I might have masked it by having the syrup in it a bit. What I'll do differently is when you make it, if you want to make latte, make sure you freeze this, so therefore, because each time I put more in, it gets warmer and like, ugh, no. I think it's a success. I mean, it's nowhere near as good as your Starbucks or anything, but we'll definitely do. It's really nice. This is actually really starting to taste like the cold brew from Costa. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy the rest of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It would do me a massive favour, like a massive favour. All surviving, I hope you're all well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.